Okay, so we've changed the logo. So the next step is, updating a link. Right. So what I'm asking you to do here is to look at the link that's on screen 2 of the course. This is about looking at an existing link and maybe changing it so that it points to somewhere else. So if we look at, well, let's look at the view of the course. Here's the view of the course here. And if I click on next, going to screen 2, you can see here's some, get rid of the watermark. Who's the course for? I've adapted the last sentence. You can say, of course, you could just ignore all that and discover the answer to life, the universe, and everything. And you can see that's obviously a live link, and it's currently pointing to an interesting screen that you can click on for yourself and have a look at. But what we want to do is change where that's pointing, basically. Give it a new URL to jump to. So if I go back now to my main authoring screen, which you would just do by clicking on Workspace, but I still have it open here, and you would make sure that you're on your number 2 Author tab. Here on the left, you see a list of the courses. A list of your screens collected into folders here. You can expand any folder to see the contents, and you'll just see all of the individual screens numbered here. So what I want to do is go to screen number 2. Who is this course for? You can see a preview here in the bottom right. So what I want to do is when you put your mouse over this preview, it'll give you the option to add, edit, or library. Edit is the one we want, which will open up a new window here and allow you to edit the course itself. Now in this screen, you get numerous options. You can make it slightly larger, I suppose, to see. If you scroll here, this is the basic content without any of the images, the background images or areas. And this is where you'll change everything. The formatting tools at the top here, we'll take a look at later, but they're all pretty standard. You know, things like font color, fills, and whatnot. Okay, but in our text here, you can see it says, of course, you could just ignore all of that and discover the answer to life, the universe, and everything. That's the link that we saw earlier. So if I just jump to my course, that's this link here. So in here, all we do is we click on the link button, which is this symbol here, Hyperlink Manager. Which isn't rendering perfectly here, but okay. And here we can type in a new address. So in fact, let me just show you. If you want to, you can select a link and you can click on the icon next to it, which is just remove link. So that gets rid of the link. I can select it again, click on the hyperlink manager. It doesn't actually show you the existing link, so unfortunately you would just need to create a new link. So your link text here is the text that the user will see, and the URL is just simply what you want to type in. So I'm just going to say Google for now, google.co.uk. And the important thing about targets is what happens when someone clicks on a link. And what we really want to do is for it to open up in a new window. So as long as it's not a download, you can control that action. So if you, where it says target here, if you click on the down arrow and select new window, it'll add this command _blank, which tells the browser to open up in a new window. And you would simply click on OK. And just to let you know, another option here is if you click on email, you can put an email address in if you want to link to someone's email. But ours is the hyperlink, so I'll just say OK. Discover life, discover the answer to life, the universe, and everything. It's become underlined again. If I click on save, you can see the course now. It's changed to this, and you can see probably at the bottom left hand of the screen here, possibly I can see that that goes to google.co.uk now. So that's it. You've edited a link.